What? I ordered 256 gigabytes. Why?
What you say is bad. And your reaction.
Okay. Okay,
Why
guys.
why are you recording?
Because this is the unboxing
The unboxing?
of our new
No, we
iPhone
didn't
12
start it.
Pro
We
Max.
didn't start it.
Yes, you
No.
can start.
What I can
In
say?
3, 2, 1, action. Action on. Okay, guys, we are noobs. So we will be unboxing our new iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Wow. This is the reason why the box was so dirty, huh?
Why? It was a dirty box.
Yes, so dirty. The phone was lying on the bottom of Chinese magazine.
What? It's a nice color. That's it. What can you say about the color?
I like blue.
That's all you can say.
I don't care about the color of my phone at all.
You're not an iPhone person. That's all? That's all?
Yeah, that's all.
Just
What
the
we have
phone and the
in the
charger?
box.
You open it.
It's not so heavy. It's a little bit more
Let me
heavy
try.
than my Samsung.
So this is the iPhone 12 Pro. It's not that big. I thought it's because my hands are too small. Jing, 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 jing.
Okay, what we have here? The power is
It's
here.
just this fill.
Let's check. Did the phone have battery? Because they did give you a charger. Ooh.
Is that possible?
Wow,
Oh, wow. The Apple logo.
it's starting.
What can you say?
What can I say? I'm
What
not
can
an
I
iPhone-
say?
I'm not an iPhone person, and I don't care about mobile phones.
Where?
All the specification.
As long
It's not
as-
interesting for me.
What is this unboxing that is not interesting? Okay, baby. What's happening now?
It's speaking to you in million language.
What did it say?
Hello.
Bonjour. Hello.
Oh, even
Bonjour.
in
Japanese.
Japanese. Hey.
Hi. That's Norwegian. Hello. English.
Are you sure you don't?
Not Polish. I don't understand it. Norway, it's okay. Quick start.
What was the password?
Dark room.
Fudge.
This is an old MacBook Pro from 2014. Still alive and kicking.
Mm-hmm. And the charger like.
The charger is injured. What happened to this? It's a nice Mac. It's sturdy. It went in?
Still thinking.
It's all.
Ale ładowarki nie ma.
A no to nie, wtyczka nie jest taka sama?
No charger.
O,
What is this so weird?
a to po co to dali?
Do ładowania to jest. Już
So
musisz kostkę
messy.
kupić.
Aha.
Pewnie prawo wymaga, że musi być dołączony kabel.
No sure. Is it possible? But it's as big as your phone, right?
Ale jest rozmiarami bardzo dużo nowego telefonu, miał identyczny jak mój telefon.
Yeah, the same size.
Same.
Nice color.
Let's go.
Blue. It's nice color,
Maskę
right?
trzeba wziąć, jak to usłyszeli.
Nice, nice.
Nice color. Let's try to
Test, jest, crash test.
crack
A
it.
jest odporny? Ten z góry wezmę i sprawdzi.
Yeah, he will go upstairs and he will throw it from the window. Because he have asphalt under there.
Yeah, that side. My new iPhone. They should do this with makeup.
Let's go.
Did you do not eat half of it?
A po co tam jest? Znaczy nie obchodzi mnie.
Oswald Hallen or Power. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe to get started. Hello, I'm swiping. Swipe up or down. So this is how it looks. Refresh widget. Press and hold. And that's all. Welcome to App Library.
So many things
Wow, so dirty house.
mess.
Masę zdjęć, masę filmów, możecie też zgrywać muzykę z jakichś Spotify'ów i tak dalej, i tak dalej. Jeszcze wam zostanie mnóstwo gigabajtów na jakieś aplikacje, gry i tak dalej.